So dako kayo siya og gibawas, nahimo na siyang 3,664. Wow. So gipagamian na siya. Unsa ni sunod? Okay, next is kuan. Sige, ito yung katulo. Okay, balance cognitive demand. Okay, may I call na magbasa sa kuan kani sa gini. Stage 1 na ba ni Mambay?
Okay, stage 1.
Okay, stage 1. Pwede any volunteer nga basahon. Okay, Jen, Ma'am Jen, malihog ko ma'am para madali ta.
Key Stage 1 Theoretical Framework Focus Literacy Learning Vehicles Language and Text. The main focus of KS1 is literacy development through the vehicle of the language macro skills as using meaningful developmentary and grade level appropriate text. Therefore, only those language and text learning competencies that support literacy and development should be deemed essential in this key stage.
Meaning, okay, so key stage 1 mainly focus a basic literacy for refers to kinder to grade 3 level. Okay, so key stage 2. Okay, this one. Sir Norvin, malihog ko sir, key stage 2.
So, all po kayo, hindi ako nakita. So, for the case stage 2, the theoretical framework, it focuses on the language learning, the vehicles, literacy, and text. The main focus of case 2 is for learners to use their basic and critical literacy skills developed in KS1 and using the language that would include receptive skills, expressive skills, and viewing. Through meaningful developmentally and a grade level approximate text, 50% narrative and 50% informational. Therefore, only those learning competencies that support literacy that would apply level and language development communicative competence shall be deemed essential in this case state.
In short, galing KS2 or key stage 2, salamat Sir Norvin, kaya nag-focus for grade 4, 5, and 6, especially sa literacy and numeracy. Okay, for the last key stage is key stage 3. Gani, padili mo ma-zoom. May I ko, Ma'am Angelica, dili lang ma'am. Salamat ma'am.
The main focus of KS3 is the learner's literacy skills like basic and friend. And critical apply their knowledge about the language like communicative competence of Filipino and English as a second language. It critically evaluate and publish a variety of texts like listening, oral, written, multimodal to express ideas, concepts, meaning from developmentally, and grade level appropriate themes, topics, 70% informational and 30% narrative. Therefore, only those learning competencies that support next evaluation, production, and publishing using the learner's literacy skills and communicative skills shall be deemed essential in this key stage.
So this key stage 3, para na siya sa high school grades 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's all about defining skills and critical thinking. So additional si Mambay. Okay, so in addition to her explanation, sa K-Stage 1, nag-focus lang siya sa K-Notary, kumbaga foundational. So dali na stage, gina-build pa lang ang essential skills sa bata. Pag-abot sa K-Stage 2, grade 4, 5, and 6, ang skills sa bata gina-strengthen na ang ilang skills diri. Pag-abot sa K-Stage 3, dara na ang application. Ang natunan sa bata gumikan sa K-Stage 1 o K-Stage 2, ma-apply na nila sa K-Stage 3. So, maulong siya. Okay, so next is clearer articulation of 21st century skills. So during the training, makitaan man no sa tanan nga subject, makitaan dito na sa ilang framework ang center is ang learners. Sa babaw atong learners sa ilang framework. Sorry, wala jud na ako na anuhan. Ang sa babaw atong framework is maging ready ang bata sa 21st century skills o mahimo siya na globally competitive. So maunang gilingon tali na siya clear articulation of 21st century skills. Kay sa tanang subject, ang sentro is ang learners. Ang goal sa learners is mahimo siyang 21st century skills and maging globally competitive ang ato ang mga bata. So, reduce learning areas. So, diri sa reduced learning area, so tanang mag-implement na sa matatag curriculum, no? From 7 subjects down to 5 subject na lang. So, gigamyan ang mga subjects. So, intensified values education and strengthened peace education. So, dali, napansin na mo nga sa tanang subject, isang English pa na, Filipino, mathematics, makabansa, na ay integration sa GMRC or values education. So, mao na siya, i-intensify jud nila kay ang makit-an yun sa tanan na subject nga naani ang integration sa values education. So, on a par with international standard, kani siya, di ba naaning sa 21st century skills. So, pag-abot sa bata, pagkahuman sa bata ay maging globally competitive jud siya. Kung baga, sa matatag curriculum, walay bata na ma-left behind, bisan pag ipagawas daw nato siya sa ato ang lugar or bansa. So, marato ang amua. Thank you so much.
Palakpakan po natin ang